Saica SRL. It ranks among the largest and most modern tomato processing companies operating in Europe, with a capacity of approximately 100,000 tons of fresh product processed per year. The company was founded in 1996 thanks to the desire of its founder and his family for a new challenge in the sector in which the predecessors had always operated. The company markets its products in Italy and abroad under its own brands Saica, Buon Sol and Pomatalia, or, on request, with the customer's own brand. The market trends of the last few years show a progressive reduction in the consumption of peeled tomatoes in the large-scale retail sector, which still holds up well in the ho.ore.ca sector, where consumers are chefs and therefore operators more attentive to quality. The orientation of the last few years towards a more tasteful restaurant and the return to traditions. Many starred chefs used to revisit traditional dishes, make the peeled in the restaurant still the most used product. A well-organized system of traceability and control allows us to respond to all customer needs. The process is continuously monitored through the recording of all the technical physical parameters and online quality controls. The quality, the seriousness in the shipments and the constant presence at the customer's side have meant that Saica has established itself first in the main red consumer countries, such as Italy, where excellent quality is still required on the tables, Germany, England, Australia, where historically they are fascinated by made-in-Italy products, and then in those emerging countries, which are only now knowing our food, Malaysia, the United Arab Emirates, India, South Africa. Blue Bunny uses 396,295 pounds of pecans annually. That would fill almost 5,000 to 18-wheelers. Blue Bunny registered sign purchases 865,000 pounds of strawberries each year. That's enough to make more than 250,000 strawberry pies. Now you know why we call it double strawberry. Blue Bunny registered sign makes more ice cream sandwiches in a year than it takes to stretch across the Great Wall of Chocolate syrup is the world's most popular ice cream topping. Our ice cream freezer is 12 stories high and a city block long, making it one of the largest and coldest freezers in the world. Blue Bunny registered sign makes more than 50 million gallons of ice cream a year. That's enough to fill 75 Olympic-size pools, and still have some for yourself. The average American enjoys 48 ice cream pints a year. More ice cream is sold on Sunday than any other day of the week. Blue Bunny registered sign uses 396,295 pounds of pecans annually, which equals the combined weight of 5 adult humpback whales. There are more than 150 million chocolate bunnies used in bunny. no limit to the variety of products you prescribe. The desired products, we'll find the right technical solution, satisfying the needs of our customers worldwide. Constant innovations and highly qualified employees have made us the leading manufacturer of bread roll machines worldwide. CANDIES, your partner for artisanal and industrial baking operations. For us, the support of artisanal bakers and that of industrial operations do not contradict each other, quite the opposite. We will find the ideal solution for every bakery, matching the size and requirements of each operation. From a one-man operation, CANDIES has grown to a globally active company. Certain quality criteria have accompanied us on our journey to this very day. Constant flow of innovations and development work, individual solutions tailored to each customer's needs. Patented machine designs with superior and pioneering technology, product quality ensured by state-of-the-art production facilities, and a future-oriented business organization, experienced and highly qualified employees for optimal support of customers. A tightly knit network of expert sales and service partners. CANDIES Cough Drop Tablets. CANDIES cough drops are all natural with a soothing center of pure liquid honey. Your pollinator garden needs asters. Flowers become scarce in autumn, but many aster species are just starting to bloom, providing a late-season source of food for bees. In this video we shown the CANDIES demonstration garden, where bumblebees are foraging on New England asters. These are the only cough drops I'll use. The menthol/eucalyptus is strong, but doesn't burn or taste medicine. The honey is uniquely soothing. These are best tasting cough drop, and if you like honey with a little menthol you are going to love this product. They are wonderful. My customers can't get enough of them, coughing, sneezing, or suffering from a dry scratchy throat. Seasonal spring allergies have arrived. Let CANDIES soothe your throat the natural way. Only CANDIES cough drops pass the test. Calms coughs naturally, soothes sore throats. Liquid honey center. No artificial colors/flavors. Gluten-free. Non-GMO. Safe for pregnancy/nursing. Eucalyptus oil. Lemon oil. 50% bigger cough drops. Did you know that just 3 of these delicious, soothing drops equal 100% of your recommended daily amount of vitamin C, B6 and B12? CANDIES is very tasty and relaxable while at the time of cold and cough. CANDIES cough drop tablets. Connie's carved off.